In a world where movement is constant, fuel efficiency often weaves into our conversations, yet its true significance remains enshrouded in myths and misconceptions. Embarking on an educational voyage today, we aim to demystify the essence of fuel efficiency, a concept crucial for both our economics and the environment. Fuel efficiency measures a vehicle's distance capability on a given amount of fuel. But why should we care? Beyond the immediate benefit of cost savings, it plays a vital role in minimizing our environmental impact, reducing the carbon footprint, and conserving resources for future generations. Amid a sea of myths, our mission is to clarify these misunderstandings, shining a light on the importance and simplicity of fuel-saving practices. As we together explore the depths of fuel efficiency, remember the power of informed choices, and how, step by step, we can stride towards a sustainable future. Enhancing fuel efficiency might seem daunting, but it's essentially a compilation of small, achievable actions. These steps, rooted in both our driving habits and vehicle maintenance routines, aggregate into notable savings. Picture this: easing off the accelerator, engaging cruise control on highways, and shunning needless idling. Such driving techniques not only pave the way for a smoother ride but also mint a more fuel-efficient journey. Witness real-life testimonies of drivers who've seen their fuel expenses dip by embracing these practices. Moreover, the significance of frequent vehicle checkups, from ensuring optimal tire inflation to regular engine tune-ups, can't be overstressed. It's remarkable how routine actions, like oil changes, significantly contribute to fuel conservation. As we blend these practices into our daily routines, we safeguard our finances and invest in our planet's future. Let's transition with the thought that each minor adjustment we make is an integral step in our shared path towards a more sustainable world. Our exploration reveals a critical insight: the journey towards sustainability is a collective endeavor, sculpted by individual actions. Your commitment to fuel efficiency, through everyday decisions and behaviors, ignites significant change. It's the collective momentum of millions making similar choices that propels us towards a sustainable, fuel-efficient future. This mission transcends mere savings; it's about nurturing our planet for successive generations. The call to action is both urgent and clear: begin today. By integrating even the smallest changes into your lifestyle, you play a pivotal role in a broader movement. As individuals, our power to effect change is immense, setting a precedent for others. Together, our journey towards fuel efficiency not only marks every action as impactful but paves the way for a greener tomorrow.